The draping in general is a very good tool for designer. As I said, it's actually the way to design as well. So you just need to have a starting point. For example, last time we talked about dress with radiating pleats. So we explore the technique, and the technique itself give us idea, to design basically, right? Provoke design idea, the technique itself. A lot of students have very good sketching skills. So, and having such skills allows us to add value to this technique. In which sense? So once you have the first initial something, the garment, developed on a dress form, you can draw what you did. So sketch it, right? Sketch it, and then start developing through sketching, developing these ideas that you get already on the dress form. Some people try printing. So this is what I advise to people who doesn't have good skills in sketching. So take picture of what you have, so of the dress or garment, take picture, make several prints of this picture, and then just draw on top of it. Just draw, right? And develop. So because this is what we always look into. So how to design, how to develop the design. So we are doing design research, what is called in English, design research.
So first thing I did was to tape the body form.
Mm-hmm.
And then I marked my line, my basic line. It was this shape. It may be visible under the garment. I started draping from this point, and then basically I just followed the shape that the fabric was given me. But I tried to save the constructive lines that are standard and traditional. So that's all. I think I finished my presentation.
I have a question. So I see that, so when I look at the picture, so the left side, what I see, so the left side of your dress, of your garment is fitted, right? We see it clearly. So it's fitted on the side. So, and the right side has this shape, voluminous shape, right? So I have a question. Do you want to keep this shape?
Yes, I
want
to keep it. I want to make some contrast.
So you
know, fitted and loose sides.
So in this kind of situation, so what I think interesting will be for other students. So what will be required in this project? So once you have the what we call truing, right, and marking the side seam here, right, and basically, I see clearly that you might need the foundation for this dress. To keep this shape.
Yes, I will definitely.
Yeah, so you need to fix all these, the pleats that are like crossing on diagonal, right? You know, all these points that you have, so from one breast to the right side, to the hips, right? You have to fix it probably on the dress which is underneath as a foundation. So and,
as a lining.
Yeah, it's kind of lining, but for not really lining. You need a stronger fabric than we normally use for lining. It's not soft. It should be quite strong enough, thin but strong enough to keep the shape.
So this is my project. I started with marking this like 3 sets of plates, okay? And then So then I decided to put these pleats over here together like this because I thought it would look better. And I also like to make this overlapping and then I removed all the excess fabric and to make it fit to this dress form.
Interesting.
So yeah, this was my process.
So it's actually, I see very organic, very like alive lines, very nice structure, very organic shape. Like.
Thank
And I also like, I think you can also interestingly develop when you have these folds. The initial prototype, here, when you didn't cut the fabric, yes?
I want, I want to add the sleeves with this
exactly.
same shape.
Exactly.
I like the silhouette of this.
Yeah, exactly. This would be amazing. Exactly. Yes, amazing. Very nice.
Thank you.
Can you send me pictures? Yes.
Sure. Yeah. So she didn't want to make it too complicated, so she only made one cut through this rectangular form and started to put pleats on it. She likes when the form has more freedom. So she likes to make it more simple, and this is how it looks.
Like, is it muslin? Is it muslin fabric? It's
yeah, it is.
It's it looks like a little bit on some pictures. It looks like washed, and it gives a little bit more, even more texture. On the left picture, it gives more feeling even to the garment. Yes, in this color, it will be a perfect, nice garment.
Transparent about it.
Nice.
Autre